Hello everyone, welcome to official YouTube channel of SM Education Services. In this video, I'm going to give you very good news. Good news for those candidates who haven't taken admission into MBBS yet due to any reason. So the MBBS admission has been extended by one more week. So you can see that notification dated on 8th February 2021. So seats are remaining in AIMS colleges, few of the AIMS colleges as well as deemed university. So I will talk about all those seats and what is the last date, and you can do the fresh registration as well. So this is in reference to the direction issued by Honorable Supreme Court of India dated on 5th of February. So yeah, the order was dated on 5th of February, but the notice got published as on 8th, that is last night. So as per this Supreme Court order, there is a second round of stay vacancy. Stay vacancy, offline stay vacancy round 2 for vacant MBBS seat enclosed in the list below for the below AIMS colleges and deemed university. So you can see here the last date of admission to MBBS course has been extended by one more week from the date of issue of order 5th of February. Accordingly, the last date of admission to MBBS course will be 11th of February. So 11th of February is the last date. It got extended by one more week. And for the first registration, the registration has already started on 8th and it will go on until 10th of February. On 11th, you have to go reach directly to the college for a stay vacancy round. I will let you know where the seats are available in AIMS Jodhpur. One seat is available for your PWD category, and AIMS Rajkot for MBS one seat is available for your PWD category. AIMS Bhopal and AIMS Guwahati and Raebareli has one seats for UR category, OBC category and UR category. So they have given a rule also in case the candidate belonging to your PWD category doesn't reach there for stay vacancy round. So where the conversion will go in category wise. Suppose ST category candidate who comes from PWD is not available at the time of counseling. Okay, so the seat will be converted into ST category. If SC category PWD candidate is not available, then it will be converted automatically into SC category and the seat will get allocated to SC category candidate. In case of your PWD category seat is available and the person is not available belonging to the particular category for claiming the stay vacancy seat, then it will be converted into UR category. Similarly, for fourth serial number, you can see OBC PWD seat will get converted into OBC, and ST seat, in case nobody is claiming for ST seat, then it will get converted into SC, and the SC seat might get converted into UR seat. So they have given the rule, and as per the rule, no seats should remain vacant if the enough number of candidates are available. If you haven't done the registration, you can reach on to the portal mcc.nic.in and you can see the notification there also. By end of this video, I will show you the live notification. It will be shown here on the portal. You can do the fresh registration also for deemed as well as all India. For deemed management seat is available in Sri Balaji Medical College, Chennai, and there are totally 3 seats available. NRI seat is available in Sri Siddhartha Medical College, Tumkur, and total seats for NRI is 7. If you are not an NRI candidate, then these seats might get converted into management seat, and you can get those seats after you have the eligibility as per after you do the registration. If you talk about Maharashtra D.Y. Patil Medical College, Navi Mumbai, total 17 seats are available. The reason behind these many seats are still open in NRI category, this college is very costly. The fee is very high, and if you think about NRI, the fee is much higher, but it might get converted into management seats and you can get those seats. So how you can go get those seats and how to proceed for grabbing the seats out of the available vacancy, you can contact us and you can take our paid services. So our counselor will help you starting from the registration process until you get the seat with proper negotiation. Okay, if you talk about Pondicherry, Mahatma Gandhi Medical College and Sri Balaji Vidyapeeth Pondicherry, you have 2 seats in NRI quota, and Sri Sathya Sai Medical College, Chennai, it has 8 seats vacant. So many seats are vacant in deemed university. So now let me show you the official notification. So you can see here the flashing message, last date of admission to MBBS course has been extended till 11th of February. Kindly check the notice regarding instruction for stay vacancy round 2 in news and events section. So you need to reach on this mcc.nic.in website, and you can do the new registration here. The candidate who has already registered and still looking for the seat can reach here and see the notification, and you can call us afterwards if you want to go ahead with our paid services. So thanks for watching this video, and I think this video is very helpful for those candidates who still waiting for the MBBS seat. Sufficient number of seats are still vacant. Just you need to know how you need to approach to get the seat allotted to you. So thanks for watching, and have a good day. Bye.